In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight the currently selected row in Microsoft Excel. Let's dive right in. If you click around your worksheet right now, you'll notice nothing stands out as you move from cell to cell. We're going to fix that with a small conditional formatting rule, and then make it follow your selection with a tiny macro. Start by selecting the data you want the highlight to apply to just below your header row. Click the first cell directly under your headers, then extend the selection to include all rows in your data range. Be sure you don't include the header itself in the selection because we only want the highlight to show on the data rows. With that range selected, go to the Home tab, choose Conditional Formatting, and click New Rule. In the dialog, pick the option that says Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, type exactly this: row, cell, row. This formula compares the row of each cell in your selected range to the row number of the active cell. When they match, the rule is true for that entire row. Click Format, go to the Fill tab, and choose a color that will be easy to see but not overpowering. Click OK to confirm and OK again to apply the rule. You should now see one row highlighted. However, you'll notice the highlight doesn't move when you click another row. To make it follow your selection, we'll add a quick macro. Right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom and choose View Code. In the code window that opens, use the drop-down at the top to select Worksheet instead of General. This places you in the Sheet's event area, which runs code when things like selections change. Inside that area, type this single line: Active Cell, Calculate. That's it. Close the code window. This one line simply recalculates the active cell whenever you change your selection, which prompts the conditional formatting rule to reevaluate and move the highlight to the current row. Go back to your sheet and click around your data. You'll see the highlight now follows you seamlessly. If you want to tweak the color later, just edit the conditional formatting rule. And remember, the highlight applies only to the range you initially selected, which helps keep things clean and intentional. And that's how you highlight the current row in Excel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. See you in the next video.